everyone. It's a beach day and we're playing volleyball.
Dale, Gecko.
I got it! I don't got it.
Huh? Yellow! Blue! The tide is coming in fast, so it's time to finish rock pooling now. Hurry, please. Oh no! Now they're trapped!
We have to save them.
Don't panic, friends! Dandy's here to deal with the danger! Hang on, Mechs! Dandy's got you!
Oh. Rusty wrenches! The owner's ladder isn't long enough to reach them!
Hold tight! I won't leave you! Dandy, dive! See? I said I got you. Stay calm, Mechanicals. We'll get you back to shore. Somehow.
The water's rising fast. We have to pick them up together or someone might get swept away.
Claro, but Helena's winch rope is not strong enough to hold everyone.
Aha! Tilly's tow cable is strong enough, though. We can run it through Helena's winch. Great idea, Tilly.
Perfecto. And we can lift everyone up in this volleyball net también.
Good thinking, Cat. We need to work fast. The tool I need is a wrench. Gecko's garage. Time to fix. First, we undo these bolts to remove the cable from Tilly. Then, fit the cable onto Helena's winch and bolt it tight. Ready to rescue. Hold on! We're coming to get you!
Get ready, Mechs! Come on.
Way to go, Cat and Helena! Thank you for your heroism, Dandy and Cat.
I'm glad you're safe, Yellow and Blue. We can replace a bucket, but we can never replace you.
Remember, Mechs, always respect the sea. The tide can creep up on you.
Oh, just like that. Goodbye, everyone.